masiko akanaka hakuna nenge iwe saka just be yourself.
Zimbabweans we've got a serious problem yekuzvitarisira pasi. So and every time pakanzi pane something modern, for example, like pakanzi pane music iri modern ndoiri kufaya mazuva ano ndoiri kutrenda, as long as it is Zimbabwe, it's always a foreign type of music. Ukatarisa South Africa right now kuri kufaya vanoti amapiano, but ukatarisa it's South African, it's homegrown. KuAmerica ma-R&B avo whatever they do is homegrown. KuJamaica it's reggae and dancehall is homegrown. KuDRC it's rumba. But every time it's Zimbabwe, it's always something foreign. And ukatarisa that's the reason why we always play second fiddle to other artists. And those not a lot of my artists educated international because we are just busy copying right now. Everybody is busy copying my Nigerians. So now we wanna shake your body, this and that, sounding like Nigerians. My mother sound like Jamaicans. My mother sound like my Americans. No, Pande the biggest problem in Zimbabweans and Pande travel around the world. I notice within the way on it international, they embrace who they are. Some Zimbabweans were always running away from ourselves, and it's a system that has never worked since 1930. Takambotedzera jazz dzekuamerica, tikatedzera rock dzekuamerica, tachina mabhendi erock muno muzimbabwe, tikaita mabhendi efunky, tikaita mabhendi erumba, tikaita mabhendi all types of foreign music, and hazvinambobvira zvashanda. Tikaita maiband groove zvakaramba kushanda futi pamaiband groove because maiband groove shona chendu yatashandisa, but the music was very American and it failed to work. Hapana kaita mari. Right now takukopa ma-Nigerians, hapana ari kuita mari. So it's like we are going round and round. We need to focus on being who we are. If we want a digital sound, let's digitalize our own Zimbabwean music. Let's stop copying. So that as long as chiramba chingokopa, vese vanoramba chingokopa, I tell you they won't go anywhere. And vese vanenge vachinzi vakwira ndege vaya vanenge vainoridzira maZimbabweans. People like Oliver Mtukudzi, Mokomba, vana Black Mfolosi, vana chi ndo vatingatori ma-proper international artists chaivo because they go and play kune vanhu vasiri maZimbabwe. Chatupembedza is hype. And hype in reality two zvakatosiyana kure. Because right now the most popular musician up to now is still Oliver Mtukudzi, even though akafa is the most popular international artist from Zimbabwe. They actually zikanwa all around the world, all around Africa. The reason why is everybody is trying to sound Nigerian, everybody is trying to sound Jamaican. Zvakanaka, but let's find a way of Zimbabweanizing our sound. As long as we don't Zimbabweanize, we always play second fiddle.
Monolio Studio, the harmony of quality and professionalism.